In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Smartsheet to Salesforce using the Salesforce connector. To get started, open Smartsheet and navigate to the Salesforce connector. This is the tool that allows you to create a link between your Salesforce data and a sheet in Smartsheet, so information can move in a structured and reliable way. Before you begin, it helps to make sure you already have access to both platforms and that the sheet you want to use in Smartsheet is ready for incoming data. Once you're in the connector, the next step is to sign in to your Salesforce account. This gives Smartsheet permission to reach the Salesforce environment you want to work with. During this process, you may be redirected to the Salesforce login page. Just complete the sign-in as usual and make sure you're entering the correct account so you don't accidentally connect the wrong workspace or data set. After signing in, you'll be asked to allow Smartsheet to connect with Salesforce. This authorization step is important because it confirms that the connector can securely access the data needed for the workflow. Review the permissions if needed, then approve the connection so the setup can continue. Next, choose the Salesforce object you want to sync. Depending on your goal, this could be something like leads, opportunities, or accounts. Think carefully about which object contains the records you actually want to bring into Smartsheet, because this selection determines what type of data the connector will work with. Choosing the right object at this stage makes the rest of the setup much smoother. Once that's done, select the Smartsheet sheet where the Salesforce data should appear. This is the destination sheet that will receive the synced information. It's a good idea to confirm that the sheet has a logical structure and column layout before moving forward, since that will make the mapping process easier and reduce confusion later. Now map the Salesforce fields to the corresponding Smartsheet columns. This step tells the connector exactly where each piece of data should go. For example, a field from Salesforce should align with the matching column in Smartsheet so the information stays organized and readable. Take your time here because accurate mapping is what keeps the sync useful and consistent. Finally, save the connector workflow and test it. Saving stores your configuration, and testing helps you confirm that the data is flowing correctly from Salesforce into Smartsheet. If everything looks right, your integration is ready to use. If something seems off, review the field mapping and sheet selection, then test again until the results look correct.